Alright, so today WiNNiE will help me in the kitchen and we try to prepare some...
Wow! Chicken! So cool! I like chickens.
Me too, but I said WiNNiE, kitchen, no chicken. We don't have any chickens now.
Wow! We will kill a chicken.
What?
Can I get a knife?
No, WiNNiE. 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 No, you'll get an egg. Nothing more.
Cool! With a chicken inside.
Really? WiNNiE. Here is egg for you.
Holy shit! WiNNiE wants that egg.
Just take it.
Can I really get it?
Just take it. But not my finger.
Is there a chicken inside? Can we open it?
What? What's wrong with you?
Please?
Oh. Okay, WiNNiE. But put it on the plate. This is also help, right?
Okay.
Now it's open. Good job, WiNNiE.